Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I have tools to play with. OXO Omelette Turning Flip and Fold Spatula from Good Grips. I'm not sure where this is from. It came in a set. Anyway, I've got a bloom in mind, but since I'm not a bloom expert, I'm just going to wing it with some white Walmart semi-gloss house paint and some black Onyx Walmart semi-gloss house paint. Latex. Did I say latex? I figure it's as good a way to start as any. And I might get something interesting. So I'll put those aside. I have taken the tops off of all of my Prizm pours that are mixed with vivid enamel. And this is the poppy. And I thought about putting them in a shovel. And I'm still thinking about putting them in a shovel. This is something called Fire and Ice, which is really interesting. Because I believe that it's an interference color shift. So as I go, I'm going to screw my tops back on. This is my pink diamond. I'm not sure if this is mixed with vivid polypore or vivid enamel, but I am sure I want it in there. And there I go. I'm making a painting before a painting again. I just mixed up some black raspberry with polypore. This is enamel. This is the deep amethyst. And I have some blue velvet coming right up. I kind of want to tip that before I do anything else, but I don't think it makes any difference. I am going to take a comb Actually, I need to use my cell activator before I go any further at all. And I've got a rather large spatula or palette knife, whatever you want to call it. And I've got a brand new gold cell activator, Aussie Floetrol in high viscosity, Pivo Studio, rich iridescent or precious gold. And it is the bomb. I have been watching blooms long enough to know that in this case I want to use some white, Amsterdam white in Aussie Floetrol, and then some black. And I hope I opened this, and I bet I didn't. Okay. Fortunately, I have experience with being like that. So I'll just put it down, fortunately. I'm going to turn this too. I'm not scraping it off, but I am going to come back and use a different palette knife. Because I just don't have enough practice doing this. I want some real orange in there. And I'm going to, do I want orange or do I want red? I think I want orange. I have some Orange Crush with Big Apple in it. Yeah, that's what I wanted. like scraping my palette knives off on the canvas. Throw them in the bucket. I seem to have some pretty good cell action going on. I've also got a tray around here I'm going to pour off onto, so I don't have to use what I've got. You know what else I wanted to do was grab a stick of some kind. Try not to dribble anything. I've got some nice cells. Nice lacing, I mean. Don't see as much. I think I'm still getting too much paint, too much pillow paint on to begin with, to tell you the truth. I'm going to take what's dripping and put it on my corners. I thought the trick would be to use more paint, but I'm not sure that that's right yet. Also not sure I'm loving my combinations yet. I am getting painty, and I could probably learn to use gloves when I'm doing this easily enough. I'm beginning to like the design. Although I did lose quite a few of my cells. I could probably swipe again. That's what I'm thinking anyway. Right after I rinse my fingers off. I actually like that. Wow. Definitely in need of a finger rinse. Let me have a look at this and see what I think. I've got a nice little tool, an acetate tool. If I want to put some gold cells in there, I could. It's kind of maybe bigger than I want. I think I might have a smaller one. And I haven't used this gold very many times. So I'm unfamiliar. I am going to grab a scrape dish though, because I'd rather scrape my paint off into a dish. That's not bad. I'm not seeing any cells. Maybe some white. I like to play with my results. It might just be that it's not a big enough tool. Now maybe it's time to use some black, because I like black. If that doesn't work, I'm just going to have to go for a bigger tool. Oh, I'm getting a few cells, but none of the gold. Yep, I'm kind of thinking I might have used a wrong color combination, but I'm still really liking the design a lot. I want to pull that pink down. There's plenty of room for a change. Oh, I'm getting all kinds of beautiful little cells in that spot that I swiped through with the gold. I want to make up some pink cell activator. Oh, I got some lacing going on over here. I like this. Wow. Okay. So I have over 2,400 videos on playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. And you can find them by going to my channel. If you like what I do, give me a thumbs up. Not so sure about the colors of these cells in here. It would be very easy to pour them off, but then I'd lose my beautiful pink. Maybe. I wonder. Let's find out. Never seen anyone do this. And maybe there's a reason for that. Well, that's kind of different, but that's not really what I was up to. Let's see if I have a plugged-in blower handy. Make some adjustments, maybe pull up some cells. Not sure that last one was a good one. So for now I've got white in there, which is okay. Oh, I like the zigzags. Well, I don't know if there's zigzags or not, but... One spiral. Yeah, it's irresistible to keep playing, honestly. And I'm keeping that pink on the corner, and I'm still letting my design morph some, which is okay. I've got a couple of bubbles I need to pop. Assuming they're bubbles. Use a sharp tool. So, interesting. Very interesting colors. Maybe not colors I'll choose again, but for right now, that'll be fine. Make that a little more interesting. Throw a couple more spirals in someplace. And add some texture, which could save the day. I think I'm just gonna keep playing. That'll fill in. My cells spread out. Boy, that just makes me want to do something really radical. Like add some bright orange. And maybe a little more pink. You know what? That's the pink diamond. And I'm thinking I would really like to have some hot orchid. Yes, okay, so far so good. I like it better, and I'm getting more interested in doing experiments. That is the white cell activator. And now I have 3 minutes. And I'm not sure why I didn't get anything there. But nothing's going to keep me from trying something else. Oh, there's a tail there. I have to try it. I'm not used to being stuck with things I don't want. And I like some things about this. I know that cell activator works. Okay. Well, I love you guys. Thanks for stopping. I'm not sure which channel this will appear on. But I am sure I'm going to get better at this. Maybe right now. There's one down. And one to go. And I've got some purple cell activator. I'm not sure anybody's ever going to see this video. I've also got some orange. I got 1 minute left and I'm probably going to lose all my time. Alright, I've got some gorgeous cells in the middle, and that's pretty cool. And I've got some other cells that I like more than what I had. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now.